जिसमें कि स्टूडेंट को आर्म फोर्सेस के लिए जो एलिजिबल है उसमें वो अपनी तैयारी को करे कैसे। तो हमारे पास 3 अलग अलग ग्रुप्स को मैंने लिया है इसमें। एक जो इंटरव्यू पर्पसेस के लिए है, जिनके पास 15 डेज टू 1 मंथ का समय। दूसरा ऐसा मैंने कैंडिडेट का ग्रुप लिया है जो हमारे पास पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए पहले से ही तैयार कर रहे हैं, यानी रिटन भी कर रहे हैं और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट भी कर रहे हैं। और दूसरे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो सिर्फ रिटन कर रहे हैं, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट नहीं कर रहे। तो मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि अगर मान लीजिए स्पॉन्टेनियस या कम समय में अगर उनको किसी एग्जामिनेशन में जाना हो, इंटरव्यूज में जाना हो, तो फिर क्या वो अपनी डिलीवरी बेटर कर पाएंगे कि नहीं? क्लियर? सो इट इज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपेरिमेंट। आप सभी इसके सब्जेक्ट्स हैं और आप में से जो भी कैंडिडेट बढ़िया है अलग अलग ग्रुप में से, उन कैंडिडेट्स को हम मौका देंगे आउट ऑफ 11 कैंडिडेट्स। मैडम आप आ जाइए इसमें, टेस्ट नंबर 20 आ जाइए इसमें। ठीक, आपको थोड़ा सा मौका ज़्यादा दे देते हैं क्योंकि यू पीपल आर कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड वेरी सून यू हैव टू फेस द कॉम्पिटिशन। टेस्ट नंबर 12 you also come. Which one? तो हम लोगों ने 3 सीट्स इनको दे दी, ठीक है। सर आप टेस्ट नंबर 13 यू आल्सो कम। चैलेंजेस आ गए। चैलेंजेस क्या हैं इनमें? I would like to go with those candidates who are with us for personality development as well as for the written course. Clear?
Yes, sir.
तो जो लड़के हमारे पास रिटन भी कर रहे हैं, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट भी कर रहे हैं इसमें, तो क्या उनका यूज क्या है इसमें? क्या वो सीधे एसएसबी में जाकर डीडी करके अपने आप को डेवलप नहीं कर सकते हैं क्या? एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन रहता है स्टूडेंट्स के पास में कि अभी तो हमें एंगेज होना है कि पहले हम रिटन पास कर लें, पहले हमारे पास इंटरव्यू आ जाने दीजिए, उसके बाद हम फोकस करेंगे तैयारी करने। और हर समय हमारे पास ऐसी चुनौतियाँ रहती हैं। I would like to go with some candidates of you. सबको तो मौका नहीं देंगे, हैं? सबको मौका पॉसिबल नहीं होगा इसमें। ठीक, नेक्स्ट मैं चाहूँगा कि टीम लीडर भी आ जाए इसमें। को लेना जो कि रिटन तो कर रहे हैं लेकिन पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं और वो वेट कर रहे हैं कि हमारा आएगा तब सोचेंगे इसमें। तो ऐसे भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं हमारे पास में। सो यू प्लीज कम, वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट। रिटन में बहुत बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस करते हैं ये। और यूजुअली क्लास में को एजुकेशन शुड बी मेड कंपलसरी इन स्कूल एंड कॉलेजेस और नॉट। क्लियर? वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक। और इस सिंपल टॉपिक को हम देखेंगे इसमें कि हमारे कितने मेंबर जो है इफेक्टिवली यहाँ पर डील कर पाते हैं इसमें। और इसके लिए जो है आपको स्टार्टिंग के मैं कुछ समय दूंगा इसमें 30 seconds to just speak up about your content and after that you are going to have a very good discussion। लेकिन स्टार्टिंग का जो टाइम होगा आपका 30 seconds से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। बैठे रहें आराम से।
Good evening, gentlemen. We are here for JD round and our topic is co-education system should be good or not for college and school. In my opinion, co-education system is good for our college and school as it boost confidence in student and it also improve the quality and
Okay, next.
Good evening, everyone. In my opinion, co-education should be applied in our country because of co-education. Men and women both are get confident to face each other and face the world. Because of co-education, many people, many students are able to.
First of very good evening, gentlemen. My opinion is co-education is compulsory in education system, college and school. So co-education compulsory in our college, in a school because in female candidates, female students, we will not frankly and not say our thinking.
Okay, next.
Good evening, gentlemen. My point of view say that we have to make our society with a co-ed education. As I state that our scholar also believes in the co-ed educations that the girls and boys both have to tackle the problem regarding to each genders. If our girls have a problem regarding to the male gender, they have educated in the co-ed school how to tackle that problem.
Okay.
Good evening, gentlemen. my point of view on the caption is that school and colleges is the basic or the primary education system, primary education part, and in that very part, if the girls and the boys are treated equally and been treated and given chance equally, in the near future that it can be a good leader and can communicate with all the problems and solve all the problems related to the both of the genders.
Good evening, friends. As we all are assembled here for the group discussion on the caption, should the co-education made compulsory in the school and colleges or not? So my friend, as co-education is the process of imbibing knowledge by amalgamating boys and girls in a single ambit of area. So in that sense, if we are going to have a imbibation of co-education, then there should be the confidence of having a cooperation between boys and girls.
Okay, next.
Good evening, friends. We live in a democratic country where everyone has the right to choose their way of education. So, and we are also moving toward development where we talk about women empowerment. So, it is the base from where it should start. So, we should promote the co-education.
So good evening everyone. As we have assembled here for the group discussion on the given caption, which is co-education should be made compulsory or not. According to the constitution, what we are seeing that Article 19 has a provision that the people are having right to choose their group, and here we are making it a compulsion. So if we are making it compulsory to choose a particular group to make this
Next.
Good evening, everyone. In my opinion, co-education plays a vital role for the development of both the genders, as it creates a sense of rivalry or pure competition for both the gender, and it also make them more confident and open in social situation. If they are apart, they will feel uncomfortable interacting with them.
That's very good. Very good. Next.
Good morning, gentlemen. In my opinion, the co-education should be compulsory in school and colleges because it is the process. In that phase, it is the initial step to separate the gender bias between boys and girls. And further,
चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया.
Good evening, everybody. The fundamental goal of education is that it should be all encompassing and it should be all accommodating. And I believe co-education provides us a platform where both the genders will have their ideas and can cooperate and can grow together.
Okay then. Now you'll have to start the discussion. Let's start.
So my friends, as we are having the co-educations as a process of getting the explorations of having the cooperation between both the genders. So education is having the common interest to uplift the nations, and as we are approaching towards the women empowerment.
Very well said, gentlemen. As we can see that in the primary level of education, that the girls and the boys should be treated equally, so that at the par level of the time that they should compete in the proper manner.
Not only that, gentlemen, even what we are seeing that India is focusing more on women empowerment, and if at a side we are focusing on women empowerment, and at the another side we are questioning that whether it should be made compulsory or not.
It
Then
is
what I
also
think-
Yes, gentlemen, as I said that.
everything comes with the pros and cons. That co-education in many cases we have seen as sexual
So,
harassment.
gentlemen, as one of the cadets are talking about the women empowerment, there should not be any term like women empowerment. Everybody should be treated equally and should
Well,
be given the
gentlemen,
chance
yes,
equally.
gentlemen,
what
said
we
that
do in democracy, it is the responsibility to promote our democracy, and that comes as our constitution gives us the right to choose the way of education. So
Article
we should
23 of the Indian Constitution provides for equal opportunities for education to
Yes, gentlemen, as you state that
under 14 years.
co-ed is a very good for our society, but
It
our scholar
provides-
also the survey between our scholar also state that many of the scholar also want to demolish the co-ed education because they at the age of getting understandable, the people get attracted to each other and they can demolish the
Very well said,
career
gentlemen.
also.
Very well said, gentlemen. But in the primary education, if the both and the girls and the boys will be treated equally, they will feel no difference in
It also
between them.
provides
Yes,
difference
yes,
in
yes,
rational
yes.
thinking and progress. So this is one of the positive points, because we can develop, if one has rational thinking, then there will be multiple ideas, and from multiple ideas we can also talk about different aspects.
Well, gentlemen,
but-
and in the society where male and female have to live together in a compatible manner, so making from a very primary age, it would be gender biased. So having a co-ed education system would make our minds to understand both the
And
gender
since
in a
I-
equal
Yes,
manner.
gentlemen, I have a point of view.
Since the school and college
education
are,
is only for the urban area, not the rural area.
and students
in
in
rural area,
school and colleges are
parents is
at a
not
tender
deciding
age.
the-
Where they can-
That very well said, gentlemen.
We are
One
going
of
to have a
scheme
mandatory
should be
over the-
launched by the
mandatory
government
over
so
the
that the
education.
every
So
part of the country, every people of the country should be aware that the girls and the boys education should be treated equally, either it's a urban area or the rural area.
Gentlemen, we are very well
is
aware
also
about the
important
example
that
that one pen, one pencil can be broken very easily, but the bunch of pencils can't be broken. What we are seeing that there are different dynamic qualities of both the section of the
Last 2
society.
minutes, last 2
And
minutes.
we
by
are
this
also
only,
missing one of the
if we
one of the aspect of the
collab
topic is
with
that
the both the
why-
genders,
why-
then
why
it is
we are
obvious that the
only
output,
taking
the
primary
potential
and
is going to
colleges
be
level.
increased of
Yes,
our
and
society as well.
education systems also help in making good understanding between opposite gender, which help in enhancing their idea in front of opposite gender.
Yes,
I
sir,
agree with
Madam
this
Justice
statement,
that-
and that's why even we are having the co-education policy. So we have, as we have made the national education policy in 2020. So in that very section, there is no any mention of having the girl student or boy student. They all are comparing it
And
with the
recent-
student.
recent
So
index
why
of-
so
index
in
of
that
girls
scenario,
in school
bifurcating it with the girl students or boy student, it will make
This is
it.
what-
As
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
in
yes,
the
yes,
various
yes.
sector of the society or the country that boys and the girls are working together, if the in the primary only the bifurcation will be there, at the very highest level they will be not doing in the primary.
Agreeing to your point, I would also like to say that at primary
Okay,
level
last
and
1
at
minute.
colleges it is
So my friends, as we all are residing in a very
There can be
democratic,
more-
largest democratic
there can be
nation,
more
where
than
Article 90
person.
says a right to choose their groups. So in that very sessions, if we are going to have a mandation, then there is a clear bifurcation of having the girls group and boys group. So as we are promoting the democracy and equal opportunities to choose their group,
Yes, yes,
so
yes.
having the
Yes,
cooperation,
I personally agree with you. What we are seeing that currently India is focusing more on women empowerment. Much of the capital, much of the time is being invested on focusing on women sector only, and that somehow demoralizes the emotions of the men sector.
And
In that, if we are making it compulsory, then it is obvious.
mandate that it will come from a boy or a girl. So if both the gender are working together in a common place, then it would lead to much
I
better
also
innovation
believe
in the
that-
country.
Okay,
That would add in the
okay, that
development.
is over. It is over. Now please take your seat. Every time everybody wants to get only conclusion and not the consequences which are required to uplift the component. So here my focus would be what are the important conclusion on which we should talk about. देखिए एक बात बताइए, आर्म फोर्सेस की तैयारी में सब कॉमन साइड फीचर ले लेते हैं। 8,500 रिजल्ट होते हैं रिटन के। इवन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एनडीए और सीटीएस एग्जामिनेशन, फिर आर्म फोर्सेस मिलिट्री एग्जामिनेशन, रेगुलर इंटीग्रेशन, और सिलेक्शन कितना होता है 400। परसेंटेज कितना है 5%। On that perception, if your preparation is not adequate, so how could you be very confident about that, sir? अब आप एक बात बताइए, 3 ग्रुप मैंने बनाए, एक जो कि बिल्कुल फाइनल स्टेज पर है, उसने अपने पूरा हार्ट एंड सोल लगा दिया है रिटन पास करके इंटरव्यूज के लिए। दूसरा पार्ट रिटन और इंटरव्यू दोनों, रिटन और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट दोनों के लिए तैयार कर रहा है। इंटरव्यू करके कुछ होता नहीं है, इंटरव्यू आपके पर्सनल एबिलिटी को अपग्रेड करना होता है, और वो ऑब्सेस नहीं है आपके किसी पैरामीटर पर। और तीसरा जो कि स्टूडेंट है, जो कि कमांडेंट एकेडमी के स्टूडेंट है, ऑब्वियसली बढ़िया होते हैं। ये तीनों ही राउंड में आपने देखा है इसमें कि जिनका समय संस्था में ज्यादा बीता और ज्यादा समय पर बीता, उनके कॉम्पोनेंट्स बेटर। यानी कि जिसको हम कहते हैं ऑफिसर्स लाइक क्वालिटीज, उसको परसीव करते हैं ऑफिसर्स लाइक बिहेवियर, और बिहेवियर पैटर्न में अगर आप देखें कि रिटन वाले और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट वाले जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं, वो हर एक सिचुएशन पर काफी कंफर्टेबल हैं, और वो कैलकुलेटेड है मुझे कब स्ट्राइक करना है इसमें, और वो अपना चॉइस खुद रख रहे हैं। Whereas the others मौका ढूंढ रहे हैं, लेकिन इनको पता है कि मेरे को अभी नहीं बोलना है, मैं तो चाहूं तो कभी भी बोल सकता हूं। That is the stage that you'll have to acquire. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है वहां पर कि हम बोलने के लिए बोलना चाहते हैं, लेकिन हमें बोलने नहीं देता कोई। और कैडेट्स हमारे ऐसे तैयार रहते हैं इसमें कि हम जानते हैं कब बोलना है, इसमें बोलने तो हमारी बारी अब आ जाए। So it is the need of preparation for which purposes you are prepared. That is all. Should be.